Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets going down so much, right? There was continuous selling throughout the day, except for the first part, like the first few, you can say hour or two. After that, from 12 p.m., definitely selling was very evident in Bank Nifty. But in Nifty, if you see, the selling was first, and then we saw a bit of, kind of a not such a good momentum, right? But definitely in Bank Nifty, as I said, once you see price action in 5 minute chart, you can go ahead and take a short position. And if you see markets, just a second, yeah, markets did show you a negative price action over here, so you could have definitely taken a trade over here, right? And see, basically a very small stop loss you would have gotten. So that's why when the selling comes, it comes very fast, right? So from there, if you see, markets continue to move down, and as I said, if we are not holding 45,000, then you can also carry your positions for bigger targets, right? So yeah, below 45,000 got broken very easily, and from there, if you see, markets even went down till 44,600. So I hope my analysis has helped you guys. So anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Has this momentum has um, gone down very fast, and even I wasn't able to catch this momentum because of some personal stuff, and that's why I cannot, that's why I have not been trading anything basically since a few days. But anyways, I'll get back to trading also very soon. It's just that I have taken a break due to some other personal work, right? And that's why I'm not taking any trades, that's why I don't even show you my broker page. But anyways, that is something that we'll see afterwards. What can we do for tomorrow? Very simple. In the daily charts, if you see in Bank Nifty, this is definitely showing that Bank Nifty has taken resistance, and now the support lies at 44,000 itself. Before that, there is not really a good support. You can say that yes, 44,500 can act as a support, and sure. So right, what can we do tomorrow is very simple. Tomorrow, if you open flat, right? So if you open anywhere near 44,600 or maybe even 44,700, right? Anywhere near 44,700 to 550, and then or 41,700 to 600, then as soon as we cross 44,580, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here till the target of 44,500. That will be our first target. If we do not see good buying coming in from 44,500, then you can also hold your positions for more targets for every 100 points extra on the downside. But keep in mind that market has been falling continuously on the downside. You can say that this was a small pullback, but yes, from today, if you see, market has fallen almost 600 points in a single direction. So definitely there could be a pullback, because of which your stop loss might get hit. So tomorrow, if you are taking a short trade over here, do not take a trade very aggressively, and also do not take your trade with full quantity. Maybe take it with 60% quantity or 50% quantity, and also keep your trailing stop loss tightly, right? Maybe markets tomorrow also might open something like this, might open with a small gap down with somewhere near 44,500, then take a pullback till 44,600 and continue to move down till 44,000. Definitely that can happen, but we will need to look at the probability of that happening, right? Maybe markets might take support near 44,500, take a little bit of pullback on the upside, and then continue to move down. That can also happen, right? So we cannot go very aggressive, as thinking that yes, every day the market will continue to move down like this only, and we'll reach 44,000 tomorrow itself. Definitely that can happen, but we need to keep our caution over here, because market has moved down, and then maybe market might take a little bit of pullback, because of which your stop loss might get hit, and then the market might continue to move down. So once we get that pullback in the maybe in the next 1 or 2 days, or maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, then we can maybe see where the market goes, right? So tomorrow, however, as I said, below 44,600, 580 or 590, you can go ahead and take a short position. Your first target will be 44,500, and then you can keep on trailing your stop loss to cost maybe, and then hold it for every 100 points on the downside, because as I said, there could be a little bit of pullback in the market tomorrow, because of which your stop loss might get hit. If you open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,400 or maybe 300, right? As we opened with such a good gap down today, right? Maybe we might open with a gap down again tomorrow with a big gap down. Then we can take a trade for pullback till 44,600. So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down, say somewhere near 44,300, we'll wait for the first 5-minute candle. Once the high of the first 5-minute candle is broken, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 44,600, because market has already fallen a lot. So maybe there might be a pullback in the initial few candles, and then maybe we might see a fall again, right? So yes, if we open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,300, anywhere below 44,400, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade, but keep your quantity less, because we are taking a trade against the general trend of the market, which is bearish. So we need to keep our quantity less, and we will not go very aggressive. We'll not buy very aggressively as of now, right? This is not a market where we buy aggressively. Maybe we might think of buying aggressively if we see positive price action near 44,000, but that is something that probably won't happen tomorrow, right? If we open a very big gap up, or a big gap up somewhere near 44,800 or maybe 900 and all these levels, then you pretty much cannot do anything for tomorrow, because then markets will get pretty volatile, because both the sellers and the buyers will be a bit confused, and both of them could kind of get trapped in the market, right? Because if you open at 44,900, one trade that you can take, however, is that if market opens at 44,900 and then comes back down to 44,640, then you can take a bullish trade once you see positive price action being built over here in the 5-minute chart. But as I said, keep your quantity less, because if you open with a very big gap up, then chances are market will get a bit volatile tomorrow, and then there will pretty much won't be any good trades. And on the upside, there is a resistance of 45,100, which could act as a very good resistance. So market might move in this big range for tomorrow, or for maybe a day or two, and after which maybe it might give a breakdown or a breakout, but most probably it could give a breakdown, right? And the time when the market gives a breakdown over here, that is when we will go very aggressive on the short side, right? But as of now, tomorrow, let's keep a bit of let's kind of go not that aggressive. In Nifty, however, there is a good trade that you can take. If you open flat and move down below 19,720, you can take a bearish trade over here, right? And in that trade, what you can do is that keep your targets at every 50 points, right? Because if you see in the daily chart, I'll open the daily chart, right? Nifty doesn't really has any sort of good support till 19,600, right? So Nifty maybe might continue this weakness tomorrow also, but yes, right? Even over here, do not trail your stop loss very tightly, right? Not very tightly, but just trail your stop loss tightly, because if the selling has to come, you will see very good red candles tomorrow also in Nifty, and you will get your targets pretty easily, right? And book your profits at every 50 points, because once we get a pullback, then we can go very aggressive and keep very big targets, right? If we open with a very big gap up above, not a very big, but with a big gap up above 19,800, then we pretty much cannot do anything, because things will get a bit volatile, right? But same thing with Bank Nifty also. If you open with a gap up somewhere around 19,800 and come back down till 19,750, or anywhere below 19,750 to 19,720 in this 30-point range, if you see positive price action being built, then you can take kind of a long trade. But that's about it, right? There will pretty much not be any good trade if you open with a gap up, a big gap up tomorrow anywhere above 19,800, right? On the downside, if we open with a gap down somewhere near 19,650, 675, all these levels, then we wait for a pullback. Then same thing with Bank Nifty also, we can take a pullback trade over here till 19,720, and then maybe we can think of selling over here, right? But if this pullback comes, then maybe market might consolidate over here itself, in both the case of Nifty and Bank Nifty also, because market has moved a lot. So maybe market might consolidate over here for a bit, and then maybe move up or move down from there. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow we will not go and sell aggressively, and even if you are taking a big selling position, right, always trail your stop loss tightly, because selling will always come fast and you will not really need a very big stop loss. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.